In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit estimate title in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're in the correct account or location where you want to update your estimate settings. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the different tools and features available in your workspace. From that left side menu, click on Payments. This section is where Gohighlevel manages billing-related items, including invoices, estimates, and other payment settings. After opening Payments, move your attention to the top menu area and click on Invoices and Estimates. This takes you into the area where estimate-related options can be managed more directly. Once you're on that page, click on Settings. This is where you can adjust the default configuration for how your invoices and estimates appear. After that, go to the left-hand side within the Settings menu and select Title, Terms, and Layout. This section controls the text and formatting that appear on your financial documents, so it's the right place for updating the estimate title. When the page loads, look for the Estimate Title and Terms area. Here you'll be able to edit the title that appears on your estimates. In the title field, delete the current title that's already there. Take a moment to clear it completely so you can replace it with the wording you actually want to use. Next, type in your new title. Make sure the wording is clear and matches how you want your estimate documents to be presented to clients. A clean, professional title can help your documents look more polished and consistent with your brand. It's a small change, but it can make your estimates easier to recognize and more professional overall. Once you've entered the new title, click Save. This final step applies the change, so your updated estimate title is stored in your settings. If you want to be extra careful, you can revisit the same section afterward to confirm that the new title appears correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated the estimate title in Gohighlevel. As a quick tip, after saving, it can be helpful to preview or create a test estimate later to make sure the new title displays exactly the way you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.